God never spoke to Joshua when Moses was still alive. If you know the Bible, just read it and tell me. He could speak to Moses and then he told Joshua what to do. Now for you want the Lord to speak to you that you may tell the pastor what to do. God respects always the people that He has put beyond us and they have authority over us. Let the pastor be your father. The father of the body. Apart from the other biological father, He has authority on you as a spiritual father. And now I'm a wife to a pastor. Mr. Ssekamwa, my husband. Sometimes he puts on shorts. I can differentiate him from my pastor, who is Pastor Ssekamwa. If he stands to I position myself so that I receive that blessing as I get it from my pastor because it's my priest. Not the way I know him in the shorts. I don't know if you get what even sometimes they pastors' wives get they don't differentiate their pastors whom they quarrel with at home and even this one who is standing blessing people at the pulpit. I began taking them outside. I explained the two men that are in their homes. Are the husband and then the priest. If it is not that, you may miss out the blessing of the Lord. One pastor's wife said, I will never again give a tithe. Now to search the matters were in marriage, not in church. She never understood the word of God that works in this place. Not to cover. I told you need someone to covering. You need a covering. Our pastors are the people that cover us. Even if you make yourself any person who loiters around every churches, even if you're talented. I'm talented. Everywhere that I go, they will give me a badge. What makes a difference is not about it. It is very possible to invitation in Gobango. Even if I like to be in different churches every Sunday, I have that permit because certain churches I just deny those opportunities. I have a church where I should dwell. And this is where I get my blessing. Now, if my pastor says that let the Lord go with you, there is a blessing that I carry with. By the time I was almost getting married, it was only 3 weeks before. I was at prayer Paris. My husband was fellowshipping from Makerere and she was taking me from the church. But only 3 weeks left for me to go out of that church. There is a church that called me from Entebbe so that they may fundraise for me for my wedding. On that very Sunday, they called me. As I was going, the pastor told me, you shall not go. You're going to escort me, for I'm going in my kingdom. Let's go and you sing, then I minister. I explained to him, Pastor, they are going to support me with money. As you know, the wedding, it always demands for things. And he said, I know it well that you have a wedding, but I am telling you, let's go and you worship. I went back home when I was hurt. And I told it to my mom whom I was living with. And she was an elder in that church. And she said that the pastor has gone beyond, because she was already married. Doesn't she know it well that you need money today? Just disrespect him.